we're recording. This guy is like sitting on my dock. You know, he just like, I'm not sure it's a stern look, but you know, it's kind of like a pretty cool place to hang out. And like, I just wonder how close I can get to him before he flies. I mean, here, hang in there, bud. Or when you fly, I could get your flight. Can I sit down? Could this guy let me sit down? Actually, it's my yard. I should be able to. By cracky. Yeah. So, here we have it. Should have a name. It's hanging on my dock, you know, like, I don't know the name, but he did take a righteous dump. You think he's old and wise? Way older and wiser than me? I don't know. But I'm going to have to clean that mess up forthwith. Okay, I'm going to get up. He's probably going to fly away. Maybe I could pet him. Maybe he's hurting. Nope. He said, I'm out of here. He's hanging over there with that gray heron. Wait. Yep. That's a favorite log. Anyways, there. Another moment in my backyard. Later.